Microbes are everywhere. Even though many of them can seem harmless, and usually they are, there are many microbes that are very dangerous to have or consume. That's why we use a process of disinfection, sanitation, sterilization, and antisepsis to prevent those dangerous microbes that we may encounter in our everyday lives to prevent them from causing diseases. Now, although all of those methods can be used interchangeably, in most places they all have a distinct feature. Disinfection is usually like the surface level. That's like using bleach on the floor or even using alcohol wipes to wipe down medical devices. It helps get that surface level bacteria, and with that, it doesn't get rid of all, but it gets rid of most of the ones that attach to the surface. Sterilization is different. That's for controlling viruses and spores. So that's like autoclaving medical instruments or using ethanol oxide gas on different medical instruments as well, as a way to help with dry heat and get rid of that bacteria. Another form is sanitation. That's usually with not healthcare, but like health and food. That's like washing dishes or even just washing your hands to prevent contamination of different food products and different stuff like that. Acts as a barrier. And last is like antisepsis. So antisepsis are the ones that get rid of, like, for tissues. So that's like putting hydrogen peroxide or cut or even bandaging it up and using different things of that nature. The important part of knowing that is it helps prevent disease. Like if we don't sterilize our medical equipment in the hospital, it can lead to disease. It can cause, for whatever you're working on, to be a bigger problem and issue. So that's why it's very important to know these different techniques of sterilization, disinfection, antisepsis, and sanitation, because this is the only way we can prevent things from transferring from one thing to another.